little gloomy outside as of right now. I am about to go get ready to go with some friends to go out. So let's get ready. Anyway, y'all, we're doing a vlog for this week too.
Oh, hey! Yeah.
She can't say hi right now. She's driving. She has to say really content to the road.
So Grace is me.
Who is Grace is me?
They still Pandora there, but not no more. No. Why is the trees moving? Baby, that's called wind. Got it!
That's called wind. That's called wind.
Oh!
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah!
Anyway, y'all, we are at the Hobby Lobby. Girl, can you get out your car?
Oh, she's too small. She's on the way.
Daddy shot o'clock. Daddy shot o'clock. Y'all, it's y'all. Why is this so windy out here?
Guys.
This is not the move. What's going on? Hobby Lobby is closed, unfortunately.
Outfit check.
Oh, we do outfit check. Wait, come on.
Okay. First of all, I want to go first.
All right, go ahead.
I got me a little cuted thrifted Nike jacket, and then a black dress that I thrifted, and then yeah.
Hey guys, so most of this jewelry is either from Shein or I thrifted it. These are from, what is it, Etika? EDIKED. And then these are, what are these called? My Dr. Martens that I got for $85.
Why does mine look like that?
And yeah, this is the spread right now.
No, look
Mwah.
at this.
Go.
Okay.
No balls.
So these are Uggs I got for Christmas. This used to be a dress that my girlfriend got me, but it didn't fit me, so I cut it into a skirt. And then
That's what she said.
top
And you know what?
It got me.
What was that?
Go to 5 below. Go to 5 below. What the is that? Oh!
Let's look civilized.
Right, look. It's 9:30. We good.
The Deaireonnz.
Ooh. Ooh, mama, I'm scared.
Yeah.
Y'all, the rain is so loud outside. I know that's right. Girl, we barely made it in here, truly. How bad is it outside? Oh my God. No, girl, it looked like a tornado from here. No shade.
You need something for your lips. Fancy.
Fancy. Oh wow. Y'all, she got so many lippies in this one bag.
Lip mask.
NARS. Fenty.
Cocoa butter.
I always have a pimple right here whenever I go out. It just makes me mad.
Oh, so you got gonorrhea.
Oh, that's no. In the sense that.
She played. Anyway.
1, 2,
3, go. A little sprinkle not hurt nobody. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, y'all, the next one, this is the home stretch, okay?
I messed up.
Oh, yeah, we can literally go under here. Okay. Okay.
You guys wanna run?
3, 2, 1, go. Oh my God.
Are they close?
No, they're not.
No, it's not today.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Go. No, this is 10 minutes. Oh my God.
I wasted my money on this. Oh, look at this. Guys, I'm obsessed. This is good.
Alright, getting Las Fuentes now.
This is Las Fuentes, huh?
Oh yeah, we're not seeing Lopez. I might order some more salsa. Cause this was hitting.
We're trying to find the cold sore treatment for Deaireon.
And my friend Kit, guys. Why did she just put into some pregnant? Get out of my face. She plays.
Sorry, the deli's closed.
That looks so good. Where did they get that from? I don't think so. Ew, that looks so nasty. Ew, no. I think that's bad.